Thank you. You're good, thanks. Got the goods, good old Chevy. Alrighty. So we just have to hope that this was the right part, because I was just gonna stop by Thomas's house first and see if this was the right one, but worst case, it's still semi-early in the day. We might be able to just go back and get another one, but who knows, but off to Thomas's. We made it. Oh, look at the dressed car. So we got the coilovers here. Hopefully everything's intact. Hopefully. And we got the springs. I think these springs are for the rear though. But we got young Thomas. You know what I'm saying?
What's that?
I think the last time you made a video here, you made me bleed.
Oh yeah, hammer.
Yeah, hammer to the face.
Sorry.
But
that hammer is now fixed. I put a metal handle on it
and welded it.
And welded it, so it'll never hurt another soul again.
This thing looks like a Thor hammer.
It's a pretty serious hammer.
Yeah,
it's actually a great hammer.
Yeah. So funny, my cheekbones in that. But yeah, he's taking the wheels off now, and then I'm always just kind of curious to see how these coilovers would, or at least like see how hard it would be. Yeah. I think for this though, I think it's just rear springs and then the front coilovers.
Okay, so you're not going to replace the shock, you don't think?
No, because look, I think, because when I bought them off a dude in California, off his forums. Shout out, I can't remember your name right now because a lot of stuff's been going on, but oh yeah, Jordan. Shout out to Jordan. I'm finally getting the coilovers put on. I know it's been a minute, but yeah, I think it's just rear springs. But yeah, we got the springs. They're a little conjoined right now, but I think it's just rear springs. But that's what I was going to show you over here. This thingy. So these are the springs, but then he told me to buy these. We got like the Mighty Mouse. I don't know. It's like a top hat thing.
Okay. It's like some reinforcement job.
Yeah, something. I don't know. They told me to buy that, so I bought it.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to reinforce, just strengthen up the whole area so that it doesn't rip through as easily. You're probably going with a stiffer spring here.
Oh, okay. Well then, yeah, that's what I got for that. So, yeah, it's just a whole bunch of little dudes that like go up there and hold it up. And we got this Drift Miata right here. I mean, E36. This thing's pretty legit.
That's the Ship Missile Clapper Deluxe.
The Ship Missile Clapper Deluxe?
Ship Missile Clapper Deluxe. One step above the
It's actually, I mean, not in bad condition, like compared to a lot of the ones I've seen.
It was way nicer when I bought it. I did all the damage you see here.
Dude, I did all the body work.
All professional body work done at the track.
Got these two fronts off. I think Thomas is gonna piss around the back, and then and then we're gonna do the backs first. They should be a little bit more accessible. So we got all that. We just need to unbolt these, and I guess this comes down. So we'll be able to get this all stitch them in a way to get this out the way. And I think I did see when I was bending this back, I saw I think one of the struts, a little tower back there. So that's what we need to get to. We got that weight reduction, you guys. You know, we're trying to go fast. You know, took this off. This guy's still doing his oil change. We're probably gonna finish the coilovers before he gets his oil changed. The guy Thomas got the best light setup in the game. But yeah, we just gotta shout out to Stu. What's his channel's called? Is it changed or?
Premium Fuel Mag.
Premium Fuel Mag.
Just follow Sergeant Stu.
Sergeant Stu. Driftman Stu. But yeah, so we just gotta put the top hat. I guess aren't they technically like top hats? No? Yeah?
Yeah, it's kind of a top hat extension plate.
Extension for these Jimmy Johns. That's what we bought. They're Mighty Mouse. Shout out to Mighty Mouse. You know, I don't know what to say about that, but I was recommended. Check them out. If you have a CTS-V, but you probably won't because all these cars are dying now, so. Pretty blown up, crashed. A lot of people are crashing them, so.
Get more rare, more expensive, that's for sure.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, that one's spinning nice and easy, awesome.
Ooh, look at this guy. This is not even sped up. This is just straight magic. Oh.
Oh yeah.
They're nice.
Now we gotta mess with the top, make it spaced out.
Oh, cool.
Yep. But at this point, we should be able to pull the spring out.
So, Now, you gotta pop these springs up. You might have to like push down on it. Oh, or I can step on it. All right, so the springs is on. Springs are on back here. Now I think we just have to modify these.
We're gonna lift the top hats up with this kit. I don't know, about an inch or so, it looks like.
Something like that.
It's gonna allow you to have some more shock travel with the lowering of the car, so that you don't bottom out the shock in its chamber.
All right, so he had to pry this Jimmy John out. You have to like dig into this piece right here and then like pry it out with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
But that was kind of a pain in the butt, but he figured it out, so it's all good.
Now we're gonna make some sort of standoff. I'd imagine piece goes inside, piece goes on the outside, and make the standoff. See, I'm reading the directions now to figure that out.
All right, Mighty Mouse, I have a bone to pick with you, okay? So the washers that you put in there aren't the right size. So he's got a, what, did you get it?
No, it's not quite large enough, so I gotta get a slightly larger drill bit.
So we gotta just drill these Jimmy Johns out. Maybe get your measurements correct. So this is what you're gonna be looking like. I'm talking to myself. But yeah, that basically goes up. Spacers right there on the side for those side nuts. Build that on the inside, and then you just slide the, looks like you just slide the strut up in there. All right, so this is what I was trying to get. Basically, you got these spacers right here, then the plate, and you screw these on. And then there's one of these underneath, washer, spacer, tie that on, same but underneath. So that's that. All right, so we just gotta tighten all this stuff down. Got both sides on. My man's, we had to like kind of figure this out blindly.
Yeah, it's a little complicated, but now you do it with one side, it was easier on the second side for sure.
All right, we got the first side done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, jack me up. Shout out to my man Jordan for the good shipping, but this thing's a pain in the dick. Yeah, yeah. Well, we got
I was turning that off for you, so you had to
yeah, well, that's what I got this for. The wireless mic, so it's right next to my face. It probably was loud as hell, though. The whole time I'm gonna review the footage, it's gonna be like... Yeah, but hopefully these seem like they should be straightforward, you guys. This looks like he was saying, looks like just one bolt up top and then two at the bottom. It's already set to the height that he had his car at. Should be all right. I forgot what it looked like. I mean, I've had these things for like 2 years or like a year or something, but now we're gonna figure out exactly what it's gonna look like. I'm trying there, Big Tan 4 with a $35 peanut butter jelly sandwich. But while I'm here with you guys still, I'm gonna let you know now, you're gonna have to leave a like right now, because look at all this hard work this guy's doing. Also, go follow his channel, even though he doesn't post anymore. Do you post anymore?
Pretty rarely.
Yeah, it happens. But you know, still follow him because his content's good and he has Bitcoin, you sons of guns. Oh, you do it. I was going to do it, but it's okay if you do it too. Here you go.
A few moments later.
He's only got one zip tie left to complete. And then we can turn my car on nastier than... I'll just say something else. You guys get the thing. I think we're pretty much good to go, besides cleaning up my little struts and stuff. But we're gonna drop her down and we're gonna see how low does she go. Oh. In 3, 2. Here she goes, guys. Leave a like right now to see how... Got a bloody rug in there too because we murdered some people. Leave a like... Here she goes. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not so low I can't get the jacks out from under it.
That one's pretty slammed in the front.
Yeah, that was what I thought would happen.
Jesus Christ, you guys. Don't even think I can spin my wheel.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you slammed that bad boy. Now we're on bags.
3 hours later.
Okay, here it comes. It's the moment of truth. Jesus.
Still sinking pretty good?
Yeah. I mean, it's not too bad. I might, honestly, if I can earn it a good bit, I might just go get lower profile tires tomorrow. Shout out to my dude Tommy G. And oh yeah, that's crazy. Looks good. I like it. All right, you guys. Now she's low. Well, we gotta stop her at 30. Dang, I pulled out a little too early. But check this out, you guys. Finally got this thing lowered. Oh jeez. A little bit of tire scrapage. Might have to roll this in a little bit, but look at that thing. Look at that thing. Ooh.